Only a few have successfully crossed Amphu Laptsa Pass. Here's why. This technical Himalayan route connecting Mera Peak and Island Peak demands exceptional climbing skills and meticulous planning. At 5,845 meters, the pass features near-vertical ice walls and treacherous crevasses. Expedition costs vary based on your approach. Solo climbers should budget around $6,000, while joining a group can reduce costs to approximately $4,500 per person. Permit costs alone run about $500, and you'll need an experienced guide at $50-70 daily. Transportation from Kathmandu to Lukla adds $360 for flights, while food and accommodation along the route average $30 daily. The standard 21-day itinerary includes proper acclimatization days at Khare and Island Peak Base Camp. Here's a quick look at the itinerary. Start in Kathmandu, fly to Lukla, trek to Chhukung, acclimatize, summit Mera Peak, cross Amphu Laptsa Pass to Island Peak Base Camp, summit Island Peak, and return to Lukla and Kathmandu. This includes acclimatization days to prevent AMS. Essential gear includes crampons, ice axes, and high-altitude clothing. Pack a 4-season sleeping bag, headlamp, water purification tablets, first aid kit, trekking poles, and high-altitude clothing. Pack light, but be prepared for extreme weather. Proper hydration and gradual ascent are your best defense against altitude sickness. The narrow weather window makes timing crucial. For those prepared to face this ultimate challenge, the achievement is incomparable. Ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Contact Himalayan Adventure Intl Treks for expert guides and custom itineraries.